Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, a makeup artist, or just someone who wants to look better on Zoom calls, you know that lighting is absolutely everything. You can have the best camera in the world, but if your lighting is bad, your video is going to suffer. We've all been there, struggling with harsh shadows, yellow indoor bulbs, or trying to balance a phone against a stack of books near a window. Today, I think I've found the solution that balances performance, price, and convenience. I'm going to be reviewing the UB Size upgraded 12-inch ring light with 62-inch tripod stand and magnetic phone holder. This isn't just a simple light. It's marketed as an all-in-one studio kit for TikTok, YouTube, photography, and live streaming. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the upgraded claim. UB Size has been a big player in the budget lighting game for a while, but this 12-inch model feels like a step up. The kit comes with the ring light itself, a substantial 62-inch tripod stand, a wireless shutter remote, and the star of the show, the magnetic phone holder. Assembly is incredibly intuitive. You don't need an engineering degree to put this together. The tripod stand extends easily, and the locking mechanisms feel much more secure than the flimsy clips you see on cheaper models. The base is weighted, which is a massive pro. There is nothing terrifying than watching your expensive iPhone sway on a wobbly stand. Thankfully, this tripod feels planted and stable even at its full 62-inch height. Let's talk about the light quality, because that's why we're here. This is a 12-inch LED ring light, which is a sweet spot for size. It's large enough to cast a soft, diffused light that wraps around your face, eliminating those unflattering shadows under the eyes and nose. But it's not so huge that it takes over your entire room. The control interface is fantastic. Instead of clunky buttons on the cord, you get a sleek touch panel right on the light. It features 5 different color temperatures, ranging from a warm, cozy 3000K to a crisp, cool 6000K daylight. Whether you want that golden hour glow for a makeup tutorial or a clean white light for a tech review or unboxing, you can dial it in perfectly. On top of that, you have 10 brightness levels. At 100%, this thing is seriously bright, plenty of power to be your key light. Now, my favorite feature, the magnetic phone holder. If you have an iPhone 12, 13, 14, or newer with MagSafe, this is a dream. You just snap your phone onto the mount, and it holds it securely. No more wrestling with those spring-loaded clamps that pinch your fingers and press the volume buttons by accident. If you don't have a MagSafe phone, don't worry. They include a metal ring you can stick to your case. It allows you to rotate your phone from portrait, vertical for TikTok or Reels, to landscape, horizontal for YouTube, in a literal second. For my TikTok and Reel creators, the included wireless remote is essential. Pairing it via Bluetooth takes seconds, and it allows you to start and stop recording from a distance. This means you don't have to run back and forth to your phone after every take. It speeds up the workflow massively. I tested this setup for a few different scenarios. For a makeup stream, the color accuracy was impressive. The cool white setting showed true pigment colors really well. For product photography, the tripod's ability to adjust height meant I could shoot down onto a table easily. Versatility, the height range from desktop to standing makes it usable for everything from seated streams to full-body fashion shots. Magnetic mount, it is genuinely faster and easier than clamp mounts. Light quality, soft, adjustable, and bright enough for most indoor uses. Power source, it needs to be plugged in. It works great with a power bank for portability, but don't expect an internal battery. Tablet limitation, the magnetic mount is designed primarily for phones. Mounting an iPad would require a separate adapter. So, is the UB Size upgraded 12-inch ring light worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. For the price point, you are getting a semi-professional setup that solves 90% of the lighting struggles creators face. It's sturdy, the light is flattering, and the magnetic mount is a huge quality of life improvement. If you were looking to upgrade your content game without breaking the bank, this is a solid investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creator gear reviews. See you in the next one.